What? Y'all know the computer is not working? We don't have a computer yet.
I thought this was the computer.
Oh, y'all wondering where the video is? You gotta wait till tomorrow, or maybe the next day, and I'll get the video up sometime during this week. Once we get the computer, and I can edit it. New video coming soon. I got y'all. I didn't want y'all to think I forgot y'all. Yeah, new video coming up this week. Anything else you want to add? Like, share, subscribe. Have the notifications on for the new video. It's here. It's here. It's time. Let's get it poppin'. We got it. Oh yeah, I'm so excited because I finally got my PC. It's on and popping. Gonna do a little unboxing for y'all. Let's see what's in this here. Oh man. Whew. I ordered this PC, I don't know how long ago. It's been a few weeks. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright. Let me show y'all what the packaging looks like. So we got so far. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Is this a keyboard? I'm not sure. I think that's a keyboard. Let's see. There it is, boys. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this out real quick. Here we go. Everything you need, better believe you are that, yeah. Mira negrito, puro amor, es morenito. Let's just take a moment to just sink this in. My baby's here. I'm so excited. Oh. I ain't on this mission alone. Just a nigga really stacking my funds. Now my wings just blacking my glass. I feel divine. It came on time. God never changes, ain't gon' lie. There she is. Did it good. And as soon as I let go and surrender. Let's show the thumbnail. This young king took off like go gadget. There go that black magic. I'm so excited. You guys have no clue. I guess I'm gonna be setting this up today, trying to figure out how to get everything going. Alright, this is the cord. Have you guys seen the video yesterday where Zane was messing with this over here? It's just missing the baby right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything plugged in real quick.
That's the hell in the cell. I come from a place where the shit can get shady. My chances were slim. All my women was basic. We see different races and signing. Yeah. I can't send out no message to none of my exes and bitches as friends. I can't blow it again. Need a bitch that's as thick as my skin. Cause I've been thugging through my rainy days. Today. I ain't really trying to hang today. Today. I need changes in a major way. I just say I never fade away.
I let my legacy hurt. Fucking absurd. Like a shepherd having sex with his sheep. Fuck what you heard. All this talk in my ear. I got an idea. Like the clerk when you're trying to buy beer. Since on the mic I'm a nightmare. Fuck it, I thought this might be a good time to provoke me to rock the bite. I got the bottle of Nyquil right here.
Oh, I gotta undo this. I just realized that. I gotta undo these screws. Then I can plug this in. I was trying to plug it in without it. Alright.
Gotta keep the tool on you.
Tell me what your body gon' say. I already know you eloquent, fine, intelligent, pretty smile, big booty, little waist. First name Daniel, so lines get tame. If you got slick brain and a mean hip gang, summa cum laude. Girl, what's on your mind? Is it naughty, that fatty, or that it disdain? The catalyst to our interaction, simply another hello. Now I wanna see that ass move like Jello, cause when it do something other than my nose blows, I ain't lying, you should find your pedo. No strings attached, but gravity keep us mellow. Cupid, who did you hit with your arrow? Always aim high, never been the type to set up fast. Now baby, there's something I gotta ask. Could you tell me, can you move that thing like I want you to? Can you move that? Can you move it? Can you move that? Can you move it? Can you move that thing like I want you to?
D Smoke is killing this shit. I've never heard this.
Can you move that? Can you move it? Slow grind it, and wind it, just feel, slow grind it, slow grind it, slow grind it, slow grind it, wind it, just feel, slow grind it, dame lo que tienes y habla con las caderas para que no me mientes, ya sé que eres lista, quiero oír la voz cuando gritas, sigue moviendo las
I don't know what he's saying, but he killing that shit.
Use your hips when you talk. Girl, let's make a fire out of spark. Without you, I'm lost like a teacher out of chalk. Red breed, you are fully endorsed. Translate. Si supiera cómo volver atrás, cambiaría nada. Tu piel morenita me inspira. Cubana de Panamá, quizás una tica. Either way, what you know about a Libra. Zip. You finally at a moment where the scales can tip. Lean in for a kiss, you put the L in lips. And the B in bad, and the C in class. Let me add another letter, ain't no D in that. That thing like I want you to.
Got it all set up. Got it glowing. It's going down, boys. I got it. I got this all set up. It's going down. Oh, shoot. Look at the glow. Look at the glow, yo. Yeah. All right, guys, set this junk up.